Hello and welcome to meeting Jackie Gibbons, your instructor. I thought that I would show you a few things about myself so that you would understand who I am. I think it's a lot easier to sort of have an online interaction if you know a little bit about your instructor. First of all of these little sayings, be yourself, be the rock star you're meant to be, don't give up on you, be the change. These are things that I truly believe in. As you can see, I do a lot of strange things. So I am actually digging uh, digging a raised bed in that picture and working hard on it too. I ended up with blisters that day. This one I was just visiting family, and we were actually having a conversation about change, changing for the better, which is something that I hope that you all get a chance to do if you haven't already, but just keep improving in your life and being that change, making the difference in people's lives. This is me actually doing knife throwing. I thought that was interesting. I'm not a violent person, but I love targets. I like archery and knife throwing. As you can see, I kind of got them low on the target, but I still hit it, and most of the time I do. So I'm pretty good at it. This is me. I'm at. Let's see. We are in Louisville. Can't think of the name of the caves there, but it's got a short zip line once you get to the top, and I've always been kind of afraid of heights during my lifetime, but I believe in facing my fears. So we went on this trip to this, and it's kind of funny because I actually fell off at one point, and somebody had to help me. So that tells you a little bit about I'm a little quirky, I'm a little adventurous. Um, and I'm pretty positive. So all of these I'm smiling and those are genuine. That's how I usually am. This one I just had to throw in there just because that's my baby girl, 9 years ago. So she's 9 years old now almost. And here is this just shows you the importance how I feel about family. Family is always first with me, so um, I try to make sure that they are my priority, but I also care about students. So, that work-life balance is certainly important to me. And she wasn't 9 here, so she was probably 6. She's pretty tall, 6 or 7, and that's my husband behind me and his mother, a lovely woman, and I have a great husband. And there's some of the rest of us. That's my son and his wife, and now I actually have a grandchild. So we have a pretty rounded family. And this is a little bit older picture, but it shows you that we like the outdoors and we certainly like camping. So I'm a camper, a writer, a wife, a mother, a grandmother, a devoted teacher. So those are just a few things about me, and I thought I'd just pick out some photos and show you just a little bit about who I am. Now, education-wise, I started at Western Kentucky University. That's my alma mater. I went through and got my Bachelor of Arts, and then I went back and got my master's, and I'm nearly done with my doctorate. I'm actually working on my dissertation now, and I'll just tell you, if you go that far, it's a challenge. So just so you know. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know a little bit about myself. I'm really happy to have you all in class. I hope that you feel like I'm approachable. That's one of the reasons I do these little videos. I don't rehearse these, obviously. I just kind of tell you about myself as if we were in class and let you know that, I'm a human being too. So please contact me with questions. Feel free to um, let me know if you're struggling or anything like that. And I will certainly try to be there for you as much as possible.